Greg, if you had to pick somebody out, and I know you watched every
minute of it,
right?
You bet.
Who would you say won?
Oh, I'd say the most memorable would be Tulsi. She Kamala-ed Kamala. I mean, if Joe Biden was Tanya Harding, Tulsi was Sean Eckert, and he just hitting Kamala in the knee, or it was basically Nancy Kerrigan. And I mean, it was the most memorable thing. I do have
Wait a second.
Who's Sean Eckert?
The guy that hit Kerrigan.
Yeah.
Yes.
By the way, I was asking you to wait a second because I thought, and I'm going to get roundly criticized, but she was a fashion statement last night, didn't
You
she?
cannot comment on her clothing. It's because it's white, Juan. No, so you know what? There's a couple of things. One, I don't like the audience reaction to things because they react to what is interesting or exciting and not what is important. So when somebody zings somebody, you get this, like the Kool-Aid line that Corey used wasn't that creative or interesting, but it felt like it needed applause. To your point, in 2009, President Obama was seen as a progressive hero. 10 years later, he's now considered a Republican. Yep. And Obamacare is a right-wing plot. But the attacks on Obama reflect in actual fact that Trump's only been president for 3 years. The major problems that they're discussing, whether it's immigration or health care, happened, and let's talk deficits and drugs. That's been decades. So it just seems like maybe they're right, that they have to talk about, they have to go past Trump. He's only been there for 3 years, not even that.